Hi, welcome to another video on ethical hacking. In this video, we'll create our own ethical hacking lab or virtualized environment. So in order to create your own ethical hacking lab, the first thing you need is virtualization software. So right now, there are two main softwares that are available in the market for creating your virtualized environment. The first one is VirtualBox. VirtualBox is completely free and it's been created by Oracle. You can use it for anything without paying anything to anyone. So it's basically completely free and you can use it for anything, and it's very best software. It was my favorite one up till now, but right now it has a lot of different issues, especially when we are willing to install Kali Linux on it. So that's why for this course I will not be using the VirtualBox. But if you are willing, you can use it for Windows, Mac OS, Linux. You can literally use it on any platform, and the good thing about it is it's completely free. But for this course I will be using the VM Workstation, which is also available for free, and as well as you can purchase its professional version too. But in this course, like if you are willing to follow this course, you can just use its free version. It's completely free and it will work. It will work for you for anything. So I'm just gonna go to its official website for downloading it. Once I'm in the official website, I will just click on the downloads, and in the downloads I will come over to free products and then click on Workstation Player, and then basically scroll down and click on Try Workstation 15 Player for Windows. You can also download it for Linux, but if you are willing to use it on Mac, you cannot, because there is no for the Mac the VM Workstation is not available. So either you can use the Oracle VirtualBox or you can find another one. There are tons for Mac. There are tons of virtualization software available for Mac. So as soon as I click on this Try Workstation 15 Player for Windows, it's gonna start downloading, and you don't have to watch. Like, I will just fast forward the downloading process because I don't want to make you wait for long enough that you see the downloads and stuff. So I'll just fast forward and come back once the download is done. Okay, so once the VM Workstation gets downloaded, I also want to download the Kali Linux, and you can do that by going over to kali.org and then click on download, and in the download click on download Kali Linux. Once you are in the downloads page, you can just download the Kali Lite and other Kali versions. But the thing I want to point out is right below, which is different snapshots available for VM Workstation as well as for the VirtualBox. So instead of downloading the ISO, you can just download these VMware snapshots, and you can just directly import them into your VirtualBox or VM Workstation. So that would be super easy and super fast. But for the sake of this course, I will download the ISO and show you how to install things from the ISO. But you can literally go and download this snapshot and just download and just import it straight away to your computer. So once the VM Workstation gets downloaded, just double click on the setup and it will pop the setup for you. It's just simple steps. It will ask from you where do you want to install it and where do you want to keep the files, how much memory do you want to give it. Let's go through the setup together and understand how we can install the VM Workstation. Well, the installation of the softwares are the hard thing to do. It's not the hard thing to do. I'll just click on accept and then enhance keyboard drivers, and then click on next. I will also click on next again, and next, and install. So what I was trying to say is creating the video of installing some software is the hardest thing, because there is not much to talk about, because it's just simple. Click on next, 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 and next. So that's why it's hard to say things like that. So once the installation gets completed, I'll see you at the other side. So the installation is almost done. Now I'll click on finish, and if you are willing to purchase the VM workstation, you can, but I'll just restart the computer system in order to get the configurations and everything right. So that is pretty much it for this video. In the next video, I'll run the VM workstation, as well as I'll install the Kali Linux from the ISO as I've talked about, but you can download the snapshots from the Kali website and you can just import it. So that is pretty much it for this video. If you're new to the channel, we do hacking stuff and programming stuff here. Consider subscribing in if you are interested in that. If you need help, you can just ping me through my Instagram, my Twitter, my Facebook, anything. You can also comment down below if you need some help with anything. So have a pleasant day. Bye for now, and I'll see you in the next video.